Because we are not computer age pa during our time.
Huge difference agad siya. Dili mo digital. I think mas heavier ang pressure sa inyong selves to actually succeed in life compared sa amua.
I would value the traditions. That's the thing, I would stick to it. I-uphold na ako whatever values gihatag sa akong parents sa ako. Whatever things that I've learned during my childhood. The same question that I would ask what you asked me.
I think kani siya na age is adulting crisis.
Why you said adulting crisis?
Enjoying life. I feel like not a huge difference, especially way of like ang pace bitaw. I think before sa inyo is to mag-liberated kayo mo in a way na kanang example lang kanang sa mga outdoors, kanang more on adventurous kayo mo on the adventurous side mo compared sa amo na medyo digital ano na siya.
Yes, because we are not computer age pa during our time. I could agree with that.
I think mo nang baseline pa lang gid na huge difference agad siya. Dili mo digital, computer
Diba?
age. More on, I think, if to ask, I think mas nice ang way you enjoy our life. But I think mas heavier ang pressure sa inyong selves to actually succeed in life compared sa amua.
During our time, we call it's a laid back. Example, magsabot ta. Sabot ta sa time, sabot kita sa time. Whereas, in your time, pag magsulti yung mga kasabot, asa na ka? On the way. Pero kanang on the way, it's not.
On the way to the CR.
Well, first and foremost, I would stick to being wild. And on the serious matter, I would value the traditions. Cultural mo mga tao. It's the thing, I would stick to it. Of course, ako na siyang i-uphold na ako whatever values gihatag sa akong parents sa ako. Whatever things that I've learned during my childhood. That's the thing I would do. The same question what you asked me. What would you do?
I think kani siya na age is nasa in adulting crisis.
Why you said adulting crisis?
Diba, 20. Bago ka na ka-ligway sa teenage ni mo na
So,
years.
adulthood.
So adulthood siya.
Oo.
So, feeling na ko, if na ako sa year ni mo and ako ano na age, yun ako, dili ka na ako i-think about too much pressures. Yun ako, for the last, like, dili last year na, for sulit na ko ang let's say, do anything. Basta di lang makakumit og crime. Feeling ako, ano na ko siya, exhaust ko ka na naman. Kung mga explore.
So, it's a free world.
Like, different among good ang way of adulting karon og sa inyo before.
Ako segue na question. What is your stand sa Soji Bill?
Soji Bill?
Yes. Did you hype to the siya, di ba?
Oh, actually. Ang Soji Bill, good is very complex. Very wide siya. Considering for community, society-wise, lisod na ko siya ingon if sa gana ko ano. Pero, as long as dili siya makalabag sa mga human rights, both ways sa LGBTQ community and as well as sa like normal community. So, I feel like, umugo ko na saya ha.
Still remembered one of our few episodes that I did. I caught you saying equality of life.
inequality, like sa racism, sa homophobics. Di ko ganan sa how gina-normalize na sa mga tao karon na kuan bitaw like i-cross out ng isa ka tao just because nasa own standard sa isa ka tao na bitaw. Oh my god, feminist ko.
Still stand for that
Of course.
as we speak right now.
I feel like ang Soju Bill Manggod is more on
Yeah.
freedom sa
So that's
an
right.
LGBTQ community. Just
Well-
because they came from a different community doesn't mean you should deprive them sa kung unsay gusto nila, how they should live their lives.
Why there are some people are saying it makes those community entitled
Actually,
and
honestly,
sort of empowerment.
empowerment siya, pero so to speak, as someone who's also part of the community, I think it's normal sa mga community, even kita, like, ingana ba na siya na tao, and napo siya anak na community. There are like two sides of every community man gyud. Nagi ubang tao na they hate na how those people act. Like, for example na
Judgmental.
lang, kanang
Passing judgment.
issue gyapon karon na kana sa mga CR na mo
What's
go.
employment?
Kalay nga na.
Employment
Like, may
for-
mga trans na go sa female comfort room or men's comfort room. So, more, nga na ba? So, they would really voice out na, ano, gumana nga na, because we're part of this certain community. So, I feel like, nagi, ubang tao na, nagi pa siya sa community na mo against ka pa siya. I think it's more on protecting those people naman siya.
They can't really understand that the world is evolving right now these days.
Mm-hmm.
That's my point of view. I love that question. Mental health and
Self-expression.
self-expression, not at all. The voice of parents on our time is just as powerful as anyone could ever have. Whenever you have gender issues, whenever you have deep problem that has been going on inside your head, pero dili siya ma-express. Why? Like I've said, ang voice mo sa parents before, it's just, you could hardly express. Ikaw gani, maswerte ka wo, kaya ano, you can discuss to me. I never had that experience like you do. I'm not saying bad. Okay, lain mo na era. The reason why na-istorya ka karon is just because we want to,
See the difference.
yes, it's kind of being the script to everything that's been happening to your life. And some people sort of having those outlets outside their home.
Kaya ako, I'm a believer sa saying na mental health matters as much as physical health matters.
And you cannot control any depressions.
Self-expression, yapon. I feel like it really matters. Kaya there's this thing, kind of notion that is going on manggod ka na Gen Z compared to
Yes.
Gen X, which is your, namang notion na kahapon ka rin, na Gen Z are sensitive generation.
Yes.
Sensitive. So, feeling ako, na iba ng good talents, dili siya ay nga naman ka, gamay naman kayo. Ako before, ganing yun ako lahat ako,
Comparative.
comparative siya.
Oo.
Which is, dili ni mo siya ma-compare karon kay, evolve ta. And, naman po siya iban ko na, invalidate siya ba? Kay different mo ko ng pag-accept na to. Karon, sa inyong
Compared
pag-accept before.
What we had before.
So like, even sa workplace, employment, sa school, nagapon na siya na mga discussion. So I feel like karon is more on open na gud siya sa mental health.
I could add, during our time, most of them, if not all, parents are getting in the way sa mga decision makings sa mga anak nila. As to compared karon, kamo na may get in the way sa mga decision. Okay, right?
Pero na pagigay gapon uban.
Kuha na ba? Mo na kuha na ang CPO gano ka na.
Adi man, pero karon kay kan depende mo gud siya how it takes especially sa anak.
Yes.
If nakaka courage enough to actually put your stuff forward, then kaya sa ato diba, like may vocal gud ka. I think mo gina siya ang pinaka big first step na dapat mo is to actually express
Yes.
para makabalo po sila parents na
So, open discussion.
open discussion na namugod tayo mga tao na sakit kay daw na dili ta tama.
Okay.
Sakit daw na dili ta tama na ngayon ta na ay tama siya pero dili ko tama. So, nganong tama siya? Wala ingala bitaw.
Do you believe reality slaps?
Oo, of course.
Why?
Kaya naman good tayo sa high na medyo nata in Cloud9.
Okay.
Then, all of a sudden, reality comes in na, oh my God, this is really not just life. Napay more to it.
Yes.
This is not just black and white, good or bad. Napagi in between na tanan. I think it's to actually validate your feelings. Kaya I feel like nakasuppress yung emotions before,
Yes.
like so much. I think on the dominant side good ang family and parents ato. To the point na gina-block out, gina-suppress na yung feelings.
Detrimental ang parent
Oo, nagad siya on that.
on every decisions.
So I feel like kailangan ninyo i-accept na mo ninyo nakafeel. Kailangan po ninyo i-embrace po na dili all the time na tama mo, dili all the time na mali sila ang parents mo. Ano lang ito na?
So, do you think normalized na karon ang leveling off between the child and the parents? Just because girl your age right now having those opinions na they always stand. Do you get what I mean?
Oo. Opinionated mong gutatanan. Pero at the end of the day, there's always like an hierarchy between a parent and a child. Ang bata, mangita na silang parents.
You said grassroots.
Oo, natay ka ng opinions na to na gusto na to iingon, gusto na to i-follow, natay mga decisions na gusto na to i-make on our own.
Consistent.
So I feel like actually pud karon maybe influence social media. Heavy good ang influence sa social media na actually ibang children karon na righteous sa kailang pananaw sa self na to the point na ako man tama to me. I have my own decision nga na wala man may right to ano, which is okay siya na mindset in a way na imo gyud siya in control.
If I will ask you, how do you control?
Pero kabila mga kananan na mga mga own decisions in life na di ba di na ako gina-ask, wala na ako gas sa inyo ha. Pero actually napad ko yung mga ubang decisions po na ginamake na gina-discern ako na if ako na siyang i-push to na decision, agree baka sila daddy, okay na baka sila mami ani, kung saan ang maging effect ani ila sa kong parents, ana ako ang gina-control ba? Wala mang gumawala po if imuyin ko ng mga tao nagpadako sa imo ha. Kaya at the end of the day, sila ginawang huge foundation. It's always the parents.
Well said. Like you said a while ago, na opinionated na inyong generation. During our time, it's a big no. Whenever you express your opinion, wow, Gabi, that's the big difference between my time and your time right now. I still remember during the election, in Kawan, and I was BBM. We had an almost chaotic argument regarding that. But I just yelled, regardless with almost lads, anak ko man what's my gain about it? Di ba niya magpapildi? You know me. What life can guarantee kung papildi ta ka. Kung na ako'y nalison, hindi ako anak. Because she has an opinion. I have mine. We will agree to disagree.
I feel like answering back is considered disrespectful.
Disrespectful, yes.
Kay before, ang sakit din akong buot na nagayon ako sa ko ang feelings. Which is man ako ngayon kaganyan na muna dapat ninyo ma-learn. Kaya ako at the time, I was just expressing what I feel, but you see it on the other way. Naman tayo line views, perspective, so it's okay to just say whatever you feel.
We have different things.
So I feel like muna ang difference sa pag-grade sa inyo ha before. Sa inyo ha kay suppress na lang ninyo, sige na lang kay naamo ani naman sa tama sila terminates, the parents are always right. So I feel like mo po na ang project po na siya karon sa like, napay mga tendencies na di ba kawala ang communication between sa family because you're getting used to na dili ninyo ingon kay it feels like disrespecting. So, I feel like, muna siya yung effect happen.
But, you know, ay sa makapakuan sa relationship sa family, when one way or the other between the parents and the child, they stop understanding the real situation. Ginintain ang gap. Gi-babysit na ang silence. You get what I mean? So that's the thing, baka pa compromise sa relationship between the parents and the child. Kaya bitang maging comfortable na mo sa silence.
Because I feel like, maybe before sa niya, wala ka siya practice.
Kaka-practice
Ay
na.
ka nang, pero sa itong ginabuhat na as much as possible, road trip.
O naaman before. Kaya mas, kung pa ganit mo before, kaya nga no, once mag-banding ka ng mga road trip, it's kind of banding siya. Why? There's no gadgets.
Na,
There's no device. Pag masulti ang parents nga kaon na, there's no way for you but to eat. Sabay ka kung sa flow sa istorya.
hindi ka pinuwi na as, ano na ko,
You can choose your own world.
when it comes na aspect actually, mas mo, pabol ko sa inyo before.
Why?
Kasi I
Ano
feel
ba
like,
niya? Ano naman?
actually, dikit ka ng literal na old tradition, nakarana or something nga na. Kasi I feel like karon liberated na gud ka siya, computer age. You can just meet people through online.
Yeah, virtual.
Pero if i-compare mo siya before, ang personal ba yun?
So, courtship din sa inyong generation. I mean,
Which
if
is
you talk
us.
about our time, medyo corny na sa uban. If not at all.
Sa uban, oo. Pero I think like, as someone, as
Okay.
leaning on the romantic side good, ako, ganun ko before na kanan. Ang inyong way of connecting each other is actually really talking.
You're a product of that.
Ganun,
Okay,
diba?
okay.
Karon kay wala mo kay again sa dating, pero karon man good siya kay kanang relationship is publicize na siya sa media.
Oo, paano na kayo? Public eye.
Ang public eye na kaya siya. Muna ako, I really value privacy sa relationship. Kaya dili ko ganahan na ay other people going in.
Yes, yes.
Kay,
I've noticed hindi kayo kaka-post.
oo, kaya I feel like kung isa mo guna sa maka-ruin sa relationship, kaya namin mo own communication ba, kamaduha. So I feel like if na other opinions na mo go in, masyag ma-corrupted ang sa inyong
Outside energy.
masyag na.
Feels momentum.
Like masini mo yung partner na different people. Dili ka siya actually. It's just really the influence of other people coming in.
So, that leads me to my follow-up question. Relationship privacy. What's your stand?
Really important as
Why?
much as communication.
Why?
Well, like what I said, privacy manggod. Dili manggod siya doesn't mean na dili na nimo siya, ginakip mo ang relationship as a secret.
Private but not secret. Okay.
Private but not the secret. Kaya, I feel like kailangan din ninyo i-value sa mga partner ang privacy ninyo sa relationship. Kaya, payago na siya na ang puti na cloth, na stain,
Mas napansin. Yung stain.
mas
Kaysa
napansin yung mga stain.
Whole surface. Okay.
On the other side po, okay kay siya inyong kuan din. Nay naman sahan, nay other opinions, or like nay other people coming in. Madawat yun siya.
Well, it's liberating. It's a liberating world to your generation compared to us. You're just so fortunate to have that kind of paradigm you enjoy these days.
Kaya ako, on the Gen Z point of view sa Gen Z, karon actually, ang mga Gen Z is nakapikon yun sa generation. Nakapikon yun sa
Do you find
generation.
it annoying?
Especially sa politics. Kana ako itong politics, mental health, and society issues. Because I feel like different kidang opinions ninyo. Like, na-happen naman ito siya sa inyo before. Nga na ba? So, different kayo. Especially karon na. Like, kanang current issue. Duterte o Vice.
What's your take on that?
Medyo sensitive food mo. Kaya, ang joke was actually harmless.
Okay.
Oo.
To my opinion, it's trolling.
Trolling siya,
Kaya,
oo. Trolling
kasi
siya. Pero dili gid siya harmless compared po sa mga jokes ng before.
Okay.
Which is, di pa makuhaan ka different type of humor.
Mhm.
I feel like mo ano pa siya sa differences sa humor sa tao. Because I feel like before, the-joke siya about God. The-joke siya about rape jokes.
Sa mga mother.
Oh, the-joke siya about nga na. So, feel like wala agad siya nakahit personally or nakadamage siya sa laing tao.
So to your opinion, dili siya offensive?
Oh, even the... Actually, ang mga fans lang, not even his own family.
Single dimensional ang comprehension. Ito ba yung opinion?
Sa ako, actually, the pressure
Pressure.
of
pressure?
trying to have a stable life in the far future.
You worry too much about future?
Oh, ako as someone, in terms of my studies,
Yes.
nagi ko sa ako on depressive side adto.
Mm.
Like even until now, na ako yung mga relapse.
Have you overcome that?
Karon wala pa siya. Wala pa din ako siya fully na ano.
How can I help?
To call this, current mang good is, kung unsa pod ka advance ang technology given na tanan, mo pod ka paspas ang evolve sa pressure.
Coexist sila.
Of course, sila na. Current kay, of course, makayon ka na. Since gabi ka rat race, ngayon ka gala, what if, nga ni, mura rin akong kaya, what if, di ako taman, what if, kanang, nag-succeed siya, ako wala, what if, nag-ano siya. Actually, kana siya, I learned it the hard way as well.
Kung nag-pressuring you.
Wala man. That's why na ako'y almost an hour call with my CI. Yun siya na. Just because nauna sila doesn't mean mundang na ka. Just because nana sila sa finish line, mahinay na pod ka. So, munang na kayong kung dili kay nini na siya ma-understand ang lakwan kay sa inyo mga before, once ako na siya explain ha. I feel like sa inyo ha, as long as naka-graduate, then okay na. Karon man good kay na mo good me some maybe because genius ang good kay me.
Medyo sa genius.
Like ka na gusto na malibay sa mga life. Genius siya in a way na ay mga madaanan mentally ana.
Yes.
I feel like different kayo sa inyo mga before. If mag-struggle mo, sige, padayon lang. Ingani. Ano naman na siya, pagsubok lang sa life. But I feel like karon is, good siya. Like, dili nila siya masaptan kayo kay, ano man yun, nakaya man mo. Like, you're too soft.
If I could add to your narrative, stop comparing yourself to others mo. Like you said, una sila, una lang mo. Sunod ako. Stop comparing yourself. Kaya pag mo compare mo ko sa yourself, that will be the doorstep kaset in mo sa insecurity. You have your own time. We have our own time.
Ganun na siya.
Always keep that in mind. Without pressuring you.
Actually, I have to be honest. Throughout sa core studies, medyo na off the ground ko.
Why?
Actually, naman ko habit. Actually, na ako'y habit na every time na maabot kong school, ato ko chapel. So, I feel like nakumpante ko ba kung, bala na, kaya na ako. Then, turns out, wala na ako nagbalik sa church. I feel like ko, over self-confidence ba? Na yung kung nakuog ka ng spiritual guidance.
Complacent ka.
Na-complacent ko. Nawala ko sa akong which is, actually, mo na ang i-advise ko ni mami sa ko, actually, na siya na, it's not my time ito. Kung gamay.
You made that as a habit?
Na-habit ako siya, actually. Then, I don't know, like, human as we are, I feel like nagit tayo, ginatawag na tayo na pride and ego na to na, I'm doing well, hapit ko na beans list, hapit ko na yung
Swag.
so I feel
So, bakit yung pagkakangas there? Where do you get that?
say, genetics na siya.
Okay. Yes. So much.
Yeah, I
So
do.
much. Life has changed so much when it comes to values to begin with. Because that's our touch-based values. Sensitive ko when it comes to values. Which is why that gives us hard time back in the days, not to mention, they don't deserve to know. Because I feel that deep in my bones, we grow separately. And that cost me so much to realize lahi mo yung generation, lahi mo yung generation, lahi po lang ako. And it's not the right thing for me to do na ako i-compare. You cannot compare apple to oranges. And that life has changed so much. I don't care. I care less about it. For as long as ikaw di ka ma-change. As my daughter, we have our own covenant. We have our pact. You know that. Know our pact. I know our pact. We have our pact.
Traditional dating.
Santi na ka nga ba?
Oh, santi ko.
Ano ba ito tiyo
Oh, santi ang actually di sa ginako.
So, hopefully so romantic ha?
Dili man. Oo, you should know. Di sa ako matawa sa siguro na romantic ko. Pero ako is really like wholesome ba? Like ka na di, ang sama di siya explain. May romantic yun. Siguro ko ang butang ano sa diri. I think na pa na romantic na. Ay, physical kita na ma-dates.
Yes.
Kanang, ano gid mo?
Kanang actual.
Oh, actual, good. Pero kanang mayroon. Na sa inyo na, gusto na ko na siya makita today. Gusto na ko na siya attend today.
So, maybe,
And then, after that, ganahan yun ko sa way na, hindi, ako yun na siya practice na, ay gusto because namin ko someone, pamit ko na ako sa akong parents. And, mo gina ako ang practice na, mo ganina. If na ako someone, like kanang sa mga mistakes na happen sa relationship, hindi kayo mo knowledgeable na. Kasi I feel like if you really love this person, no matter what they do, I just accept them who they are. So I feel like, oh, nga na, gid mo na type of kwan. Which is, karon dili na siya.
So,
Actually, sensitive side kayo ang mga
expand
relation ko.
Interesting yun siya.
Natin, gina, let's say na lang na, dili pa tauyab. Like, dili pa tauyab. Sa inyo ba, before, if courting pa ba, pwede pa ba mo mag-entertain lang yung tao? Dili na.
Dili na.
Pero nakahapon na siya.
So, kukulba.
Somehow,
So, you mean you can date from one person to another? Things like that? Collect and
collect until you select.
goodness.
Oh. So, nakaka-agree, ana. Do you think marriage is really essential, like, important? Contract, ring, ana.
Longevity. How you love the person is more important.
Because I feel like, sa Bible, of course, pero ang sa ako, mong good marriage is a celebration of
Love.
the eyes of our Creator. So, feel ako muna siya.
Inani, to add, importante mo in any relationship, marriage, or outside of wedlock, ang importante mo, you choose to be one. Apart from all the bullshits in life, hell and back, call it that way. Ang importante, you choose to love that person in spite and despite. You don't spite your partner for lifetime because you choose the person. That's my understanding of love really is.
No, di ba difference sana?
Ang gwapo sa kung set up ang marriage mo, dapat mo pa sa license. 10 years. Then, oo, di ba? Pag after 10 years, unsa man, istorya ta? Unsa man, ato pa ninyo renew or will part ways? Will part ways nga, kada no hard feelings.
Which is, I feel like, yeah, mo settle ang divorce bill.
And I just hope wala mo against ani sa aking sulti.
Same yapon sa imo before
The
na. Courtship yapon.
Mommy isn't the first woman came into my life. Pero I've lasted with her for 22 long years.
22?
And still counting. Like I've told you some years ago, you are not an accident. You are a product of my love sa imong mommy. I forced the nature to have you in my life.
Social media actually, dagang di siya advantages.
Okay. Why my own understanding sa social media is just a world of make-believe. Do you agree with me?
Potentials. Actually, oo. Social climber, ayun, nag-exist na sila actually. Huwag na ilang platform
Do
to
you consider
express.
yourself as one?
Dili, oh my goodness.
Why?
Dili, dili man ko ga cloud chasing or something.
Di ka kat-kat?
Oh, dili. Kung asa ko ga ka-happy, then diha lang. Di ba ko kailangan mo go out of my way just to,
Found na
just to
Is it lonelier at the same time? No.
lonelier and also damaging.
Oh, okay, why?
Social media, sobrang siya express the way na siya ginaset mo.
Oo, ang audacity sa mga tao, no? People around that platform.
Na siya express kayo nila, gina-flaunt kayo nila tanan. Of course, tao lang can feel envy.
Yes, yes.
So because of that, nato ginagawa ng mga standards, beauty standards. Ang yung skin ako dili.
At
Ano ba
trying
pa
to
kayo siya,
impress.
ako dili.
Trying to impress
Oo.
everyone.
Oo. So,
Delusionals.
influence.
Influence.
Nag-shower,
Is it
influence. Influence.
Okay.
So, hindi ka na. Especially kayo na, especially beauty standards, which is sad. Na ako'y nakita na video. Ang mama niya,
Know that.
ang mama niya, may baby ha.
Mm.
So, ang baby is, morena, tan skin.
Mhm.
Nangayo siya og advice sa social media na, how can I make my baby fair skin? So, nakayan ko, oh my God, nga gusto mo i-fair skin ang imong anak. Sino na ko,
Wala
muna
siya
siya,
nag-body-shaming?
muna ang effect, I think.
People nowadays don't really understand what the value of life really is. What the value of what they
Oh my
have.
God.
But instead, looking on other people, what they have, and trying to have that desire na naapod sa ila. I'm not saying it's wrong. I find it
Sad.
sad.
Really sad.
Oh. The generation that we have is quite laid back. We are not computer age. It was verbatim already that time. Pero ang inyong road, it's quite advanced. It's quite evolving every single day. To value is to pay respect to whatever it is. Kay if you try to look back sa akong generation and what I have experienced in your generation, that will always build up contrasting ideals. Just like nag-rain ka ron. Slightly rainy. Sa akong basalay.
Sa inyo ha, I feel like wala mawala is actually you open your mind. Even when it comes
Openness,
to
no?
openness.
Oo.
Kay, the more na, open mo yung doors, open mo yung mind. Heart is full.
Nicely said.
Heart is full. Knowledgeable pa ka.
Correct.
I feel like,
Yeah.
curfews. Oh my God, curfews. Imagine at 21,
always.
imagine guys, 21 years old. Ang curfew is only up until 8 p.m. Oh,
I did it
pero lang
couple
yun,
of hours.
curfews good. No, I really hate curfews. Pero of
Okay.
course, masabtan ako siya. It's very old school man good. Karon, wala lang natin ginapagawayan. Kay, sa one generation is very spontaneous. Very,
What do
very
you mean very
spontaneous.
spontaneous?
Very spontaneous na.
So you don't value time?
Hindi man sa, we value time.
How about commitment?
Commitment sa time. Pero we really value time na. Sige, sulit na to ni siya. Sulit na to nila until the whole day, whole night. Sige, go. Nga namin. And then sa inyo ha, it's really, really on the strict side na kani ka na oras, muna mo oras ulit ka. Muna ko
That
ka
means you
ulitan.
hate me?
Hindi man hate. Oo, actually, ka na mo ulit ko. Imagine, nag-enjoy ka throughout the day, pag uli naman nasuko ka ni ulit ka. Late, which is understandable.
This mode, this daddy?
This mode na. Which is muna ako ang nakaulitan dyan. Na very old school kayo, like, oh, may mga ating curfew. The curfew still exists. Like, okay na siguro if teenager pa. Oh my God,
I just can't
21 na.
Well, I just can't trust people around.
Gani. Pero, nasabtan na rin ako na, ako na biya isa.
You know, my one and only daughter.
Ako na biya isa. So, muna lang na,
Keep that in mind.
mana kong friends na, ikaw ginauna uli, wain ko go, ako ra isa. Ako ra isa anak ba yung nalimot mo. Namun mga igsoon. Sa love siguro, always put your heart on the sleeve but at the same time protect it. with love. Love is really one of the most beautiful things and beautiful feelings that you could feel. So, dili na ko sila deprive, ana. Always choose the right person, not just someone who makes you happy, but also the ones who will bring out the best in you. Who would also satisfy the child in you. Ay, ala ba?
Did someone brings out the best in you? Yes or no?
Yes.
How about career?
Sa career, isa actually nasa ko ang goals. That's why gusto ko like stable akong life. Financially nga na. Kaya gusto ko na secure po akong kids in the future. Na whatever yun sa ilang passion. Kaya naman good tayo, napoy ongoing notion again na dapat yung muhang work is not just passion, yung passion. Dapat
makakuha sa livelihood.
makakuha sa livelihood. So, I feel like muna kung gusto ikon sa career sa kuwang kids na di ko gusto dapat moves ka, dapat ingani ka, dapat ingana.
Gusto ni ka masapian kita, milyonaire yun.
Really,
Dili.
stable.
Stable lang.
Financially stable na. Kanang makakompensate.
Tawid-tawid lang.
Ay, okay kung tawid-tawid lang. Pero kanang stable good siya.
Yes.
You know, like maka-provide,
Yes.
maka-explore, something yan na.
In between storms.
Ayan na siya. Gusto lang yung stable lang yun siya. Di ko gusto kanang sapian kayo kasi wala na po'y peace, ana.
Ako sa YP, sana basi mo change mo imong attitude.
Dili
Diba,
sa...
diba? Basi mo matapubre ka.
Dili sa...
No, you cannot. You can't be sure about it. Diba?
Sa family po.
Yeah, sa family.
Sa family,
That's
like
what
parents, nga na. Ang ako lang is, kasi akong goal din in the future is gusto ko maging cool mom.
Okay.
Nga na, gusto ko cool mom. Na,
You won't follow the footsteps of your mom.
mami? Why nga na kay mami? Si mami is, ano man good siya?
Ano siya? Mo man siya hap.
Ano lang siya? No. Hindi siya sweet. Loving siya.
Ay, siya language of love. Language of love.
Pero ako gusto ko clinic ko nga na. Pero of course, dili pa na ako gusto i-unlock lang akong kids on my own. Gusto ko na dapat sila explore sila. Kung masakitan sila, part of life, normal yung parents, normal ni na to actually give you advice, to actually comfort you. Dagma ka, sige go lang, hilap.
So, di ka OA.
Oo.
If you're a song right now, as we speak, what your titles that could resonate your current life right now in a song?
What was I made for?
Complete the sentence. When we say Pauline, she is
Complex.
why?
Complex ko in a way na my actions and also my intentions is really deep. Ano siya?
So not all people can understand.
Not all people. It takes a person to
It
understand.
takes a person to understand someone like you.
And it also takes patience to understand.
Are you happy? Have you asked your parents?
Yes. Happy and also actually grateful. Di mo ta perfect ka lang. Like, I know na all parents are also trying na napot sila yung mga frustrations. Because I know not all parents are like you, same ha. Na ano mo. Napot other parents na nakakita silang children na they're not good parents, but I just know deep down sila ha, they're also trying. So, kana lang siya, di ta perfect tanan, we commit mistakes, natay mga pagkukulang, natay dili ka kahimo, but as long as you try.
How proud you are being my daughter, being part of my genes, being part of my family, Salcedo.
Kaya naman gito yung mga, of course, not yung mga good and bad traits. Di man perfect pa ng family. So yeah, it's really, national pride.
Yes.
But as your daughter, it really feels whole to be loved by you. Kaya, different ka as a husband, different ka as a father. Ika-take na ko siya in a wrong way usahay. But at the end of the day, walay laing tao na makapalanggas ako the same year. Sige.
Pero sama ka sa aking biyahe Atin lamang ang araw na to Ang buhay ay sinasakyan lang iyan Di ko alam ang tungo kung saan Pag sumama ka sa aking biyahe Iaalay ko ang puso ko Iaalay ko ang puso ko
Pakantay ko kay Ani. It's really to understand. And understanding is not just one way thing. I feel like you have also to understand other people as much as you want to be understood. That's really as simple as it is. And once you actually apply that, you would also find your life and the way you live meaningful as it is.
Takeaways, I just realized my daughter really way different from what I thought she is. And, well, of course, when my daughter said about courtship, when I realized that she values the traditional way, that feels good to realize that I've raised a good daughter, a good soul, so to speak. And that makes me even proudest that I am for my daughter.
I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for. What was I made for? Taking a drive, I was an ideal, look so alive. Turns out I'm not.
Okay, well, my first question is, what do you think? Struggle ko sa kwalifikasyon. Post mo? Wala.
In a way na, I want to have this. Ano
Wala
na?
sa video.
Ano na? Na?
Gabi tayo, Jollibee ba?
Yun ang ama?
Dili. Dili.
So, ano siya ang disadvantages of mag-nature mo?
Oh, yes.
But I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. When did it end? All the enjoyment. I'm sad again. Don't tell my girlfriend it's not what she's made for.